Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we are based in Adobe Photoshop and it's good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I'd like to do today guys is show you an oil glowing gradient effect that you can use within Adobe Photoshop and for your imagery. A really fresh and modern effect that you can apply to all your imagery. And what I'd love for you to do is take the steps that I show you today, implement them into your designs, and I guarantee you'll be creating some really cool pieces of work. So first of all, what I would like to do is remove the background of this layer here. So with the new update in Photoshop, we have this new little option here where I can just simply go remove background. And what will happen is it will automatically create a layer mask like so. I'm going to click on the image part of the layer. And what I would like to do is desaturate this. There is a keyboard shortcut of Command-Shift-U for Mac users, or that's Control-Shift-U for Windows users, like so. Then what I'd like to do now is convert this to a smart object. So I'm simply just going to right click on it and convert to smart object. The next step would be go to filter, stylize, and I'm going to go to oil paint. I'm just going to increase the stylization here. Let's bring up the cleanliness, like so. Let's bring up the scale as well. And you can see that real oil paint coming through there. Maybe a bit of bristle detail as well, maybe. Wonderful. And the next step is now to add the glowing gradient effect. So I'd like to add what we call a gradient map. If we come to adjustment layers here, we have a gradient map. And what I would like to do is now manipulate and build this gradient. So if we just simply double click the gradient bar there, now we can really start bringing the colors together. So on the left-hand side, I'd normally go for a dark color because that represents your shadows. I want to add another color here, like so. Let's just double click it and change it. Let's do a sort of light color like so, maybe a little bit darker than that, maybe. Then we can add another color in here just by simply hovering and clicking. And let's say we put in a sort of yellow kind of color there. Wonderful. May even add one more, just sort of click here like so. And let's say we put in a real sort of like reddy kind of color. Then we press OK. Now with that layer, what I'm now going to do is create a clipping mask. Keyboard shortcut is Option and click for Mac users or Alt click for Windows users, like so. And now we've created a clipping mask. And at the bottom here, what I'm going to do is just add a solid color. Let's say we go for a white kind of color there. I need to bring that underneath because the system thinks I'm trying to create a clipping mask, which I'm not there. And you can see we have now created that glowing gradient oil effect within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.